I still remember the day she first walked into my store. A beautiful black American woman, full of life, walking looking for something to buy. I served her like I would serve any other customer, not knowing that moment would change my life forever. She tasted the food and looked at me and said, "You must be an experienced chef to have made this." That simple compliment opened a door, not just a conversation, but a connection I will never forget. From that day, she took me under her wing. She shared with me her old treasured recipe, the kind passed down through generations, each one holding memories of her family and her culture. She gave me her baking and cooking utensils. Some are even older than me, each with a story behind it. But she didn't just share her kitchen with me, she opened doors I never thought I would walk through. She introduced me to contracts, to big opportunities, to people and places that took my cooking beyond what I could imagine. And through it all, she showed me a kind of love and support that I still carry with me today. A love so deep, I honestly don't know if I will ever recover from it. One day, she came over to teach me some classic American cake. We stood side by side, whisking, mixing, laughing. It wasn't just about baking. It was about passing on a piece of her history into my hands. Meeting her was more than a lesson. It was a turning point in my life. And every time I use her recipe, old utensils, I'm reminded of her heart, her kindness, and the way she believed in me. Some people come into your life for a moment, but some, they leave a mark that lasts forever. She's one of those people. This is Chef Nisi saying thank you to you, my God sent angel. This journey with her changed my life, and I want to pass it on to you. Join me as I share the recipe, skills, and wisdom she gave me, along with my own culinary. If you love food and learning the kind of secrets you can't find in any cookbook, follow me and let's grow together in the kitchen. There is so much more to share. I can't wait to teach you what I've learned. I'm Chef Nisi, and I will see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.